Of the 6 personalities of investors, the 6 personas, okay, let's start off in this video with the first one, the frustrated with pension growth. And you might think, surely that's everybody. It's not. There's other groups on there as well. They're all on alpeshpatel.com. So what we did for the ones who are frustrated with the 4-5% annualized growth, and they're usually with an IFA or a wealth manager that they're unhappy with, is we created videos. One goes into explaining to them why their pension is underperforming. It's a free video, it's on there, and it goes into detail. And then it gives them what they should do. Because obviously, once you identify the problem and explain to people why they're facing a problem, the next thing you want to do, is explain to them what they should do. Then what we've done is create an article which shows them the problem of paying away these fees over the long term. Fees aren't the only problem why they're underperforming in their poor pension growth, but we've addressed that issue. And then finally, we've given them a calculator, an online calculator, so they can rate their pension. Okay, it'll benchmark it against what others are doing, how much they should have saved by that age, whatever age they are, and what proper growth might look like. So that's category 1. In future videos, I'll go through the others, so like and follow. If you want to use all those free tools, articles, videos, alpeshpatel.com is the place you want to go. Thank you.